Simplify 2 1 base 3 times 2 1 base 3. This is an objective test, and so you solve the question and then you pick the correct option. We are multiplying 2 1 base 3 by 2 1 base 3. Although this is a multiplication in base 3, it is done in the same way as multiplication in base 10. So we will go about it the same way. Let's start. 1 times 1 will give us 1. 1 in base 3 is 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 in base 3 is 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 in base 3 is 2. And finally, 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 in base 3 is 1 remainder 1. So as you can see, the multiplication was done in the same way as if we were doing it in base 10. Now after that, we have to add what we have here. This is in base 3 and this is also in base 3. We have 1 here, so here will be 1. When we come here, we have 2 here and 2 here. So you have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 4 in base 3 is 1, remainder 1. So we will carry the remainder 1 to this point. But we already have 1 here. So you have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. 2 in base 3 is 2. We have 1 here, and so we are going to have 1. Our answer is in base 3. When we check through the options we have, the correct option is option A. 1 2 1 1 base 3. So when we multiply 2 1 base 3 by 2 1 base 3, we will have 1 2 1 1 base 3.